Welcome back, you guys. I'm Tassie, and today this is actually by request. I do have some shrimp Alfredo, and with the Alfredo on here, I actually have cilantro because I really like to eat cilantro in my Alfredo. And I'm actually going to put some of my Thai pepper here. This is actually crushed Thai pepper flakes. And for anybody who's wondering, I actually buy this from Shuang. For a lot of people who buy dried chili flakes and pepper here, you'll find that most of them are never spicy. This from Shuang is the only one I have ever discovered that was actually spicy. So I was like, for years, me and my brother, we kept looking for spicy Thai pepper flakes, our pre-crushed and everything, and roasted. And this was the only one that I've ever discovered. So, in case you yourself are looking for that, you can get it at Shuang in St. Paul. And they also have the one in Minneapolis. That one also sells it too. Okay, and I have angel hair pasta. I made more pasta than I think I could probably eat, but same thing with the sauce. I don't really know how much sauce I need, so I kind of just poured a lot. And like my Alfredo sauce, I typically just buy the jar. I don't make it at home, just because like heavy cream and everything, that's not really something I always have in my fridge. And it actually costs more than a can of Alfredo sauce. So I just actually bought this. The Alfredo sauce, it was like on sale. So it was like $1.49. And like some heavy cream and everything, or if you use milk and flour and everything, that's like more than the can alone. I do always fry extra some garlic though. I don't know. I might not have enough sauce here. Or maybe it's just me and I just like a ton of sauce. I probably just have too much food. Looking at this, I'm like, Come on. Now, I generally don't eat a lot of pasta. And if I do, I will always opt for a cream-based. I'll eat noodles, no problem. One of my viewers had actually asked me what was the difference between pasta and noodles. It's actually the different flour that they use to make pasta versus flour. And we'll get some more sauce. I'll be right back. Okay, I have poured more sauce on here. I think it's because I put so much noodles in here. Yes, more sauce. I do like mine really saucy. Some restaurants, they do give it to you kind of like more on the drier side. Like if you've ever eaten at Giordano's. Giordano's, they're a chain. They're famous for like their Chicago style deep dish pizza. And we have 2 Giordano's, I believe, in Minnesota. And I do not like their Alfredo. And the reason why I don't like the Alfredo, it's very dry. And there's a weird taste to it. I can't pinpoint what that taste is. Almost like a plasticky taste. And my Alfredo just came off the stove, so. My favorite pasta, mac and cheese. Definitely mac and cheese. Sometimes I don't mind like a spaghetti. That's pretty rare. I'll actually eat spaghetti though. And I think a lot of it stemmed from when I was with one of my exes. That's like all he ever wanted to eat, and he was Asian. It was constant how much spaghetti we ate. So it was like constantly always spaghetti. And I got really tired of eating spaghetti because of that. And, you know, to start off, spaghetti was my favorite. Eventually, he would just eat spaghetti, and I would always eat something else. He loved Chef Boyardee too. I don't know if they have Chef Boyardee, but if you're like not from the U.S., it's kind of like a SpaghettiOs. It's kind of iconic. Spaghetti in a can. That reminded me again of one of my viewers. I mentioned this before. His grandmother always made him eat SpaghettiOs with rice. Like, that's kind of gross. Oh man, I'm starting to get really full. Angel hair pasta does that. It's like, I always make so much and I like shove a lot in and I get full so fast. And for anybody who's in Minnesota, if you want a really good pasta bar place, where you go and you just basically tell them what you want in your pasta and they make it fresh right there. It's kind of like a deli style. Buongiorno, they're actually really, really good. They're in the Lilydale area. They are very, very good. I think that they're like part of this gated community there, but it's actually like a strip that once you turn in, you can actually go to the strip of like stores and everything. They have really good, like a lot of Italian based ingredients there. They have a really nice fine dining area too. But you know, you could just go to the deli area where you order it to go. But you know, they have like pizzas, sandwiches and everything. Of course, it's like Italian based, but it's really good there. Very well priced too. Oh my god, I am too full. I feel like this was a really short video. Alright guys, I am full. I'll reheat this later to eat as a snack. Or else, thanks for watching you guys.